The circular economy is an idealised version of what the economy could be like, whereby instead of having this extraction, use, disposal model, materials are used continually or they're suitable for biodegrading.
Africa is well placed from benefiting from a circular economy. In many countries like Uganda, waste is not segregated. It's one of those visible problems.
600 tonnes of plastic is disposed of every single day in Uganda, and there is no formal recycling processes. EcoBrixs is a closed-loop recycling system where we buy plastic from the community and turn it into local marketable products.
EcoBrixs eyambidde ddala abantu kubanga abantu bafunyeewo emirimu, banneiba baafuna emirimu. EcoBrixs efunye obuganzi mu bantu kubanga ebayambidde ddala. Era abantu bagyagala ate era bagimanyi.
By buying plastic directly from the community, what we find naturally happens is we put money directly into the most vulnerable people's hands so they can earn an income and have a status here in the community. So that's the first point of impact, but that can expand and grow, and we've been able to really excitingly do that with a Plastic for Education programme where children or community members can bring plastic and it goes directly towards school fees. Engaging young people straight into the habit of recycling and seeing there is value to be gained.
Tuwa omukisa buli muntu kubanga tulinamu n'abalema, tulinamu baddeefu, buli omu tukwasaganya naye ne tubeera kituli.
50% of our collection network is managed by the disabled community, and that is something we're really, really proud of. We're going to keep that stat as we expand out across Uganda.
Kati yeetoolodde emyaka 3 ntambuza mwaka gwa 4 baana ali nkola emirimu egy'enjawulo nga ntunga ngatto ne bajja ne bandiiramu ekigambo nange nenkikola ki nenkikwata nenkigula nenzija nentandika okukola nabo era bansasula bulungi sinaamu kwemulugunya kwonna era nange omulimu ngulimu ngukola n'abanyambako ab'enjawulo nga bwe mulabyeko awo nga sirinaamu kweganya.
To have a good job that fulfills you as a person but also gives you the money that you need to be able to provide for yourself and your family is the foundations really of building a good society.
We have 25 community collection hubs centralised in markets or trading centres, and then we have sort of 3,000 income opportunities from people that bring plastic to us. So although they're not our direct employees, it is everyone earning across the whole chain.
Guno omulimu ngukoledde emyaka 6. Okulonda buno bukobe n'embutunda nga nnyuddwamu okuweereza abaana bange n'okwerabirira n'amaka gange.
Plastic is a very visual problem in Uganda. It's often burnt on roadsides and in landfills. When it's burnt, obviously produces really toxic gases. And because there isn't much awareness about those dangers, plastic is burnt within home settings or even within school settings and even worse within hospital settings currently in Masaka. So we are really trying to spread awareness around that.
Air pollution is responsible for over 7 million deaths annually, globally. And for the case of Uganda, air pollution is responsible for over 22,000 deaths per year. People literally burn most of this waste in the communities, and that increases on the air pollution, which is already a big challenge in Uganda. What EcoBrixs is doing reduces this waste that would have actually been burnt.
So what we make currently is plastic lumber, which is a material that can replace wood. And then we're moving into interlocking bricks and face masks made purely from recycled plastic. We've made playgrounds, benches, we've made advertising frames. We replicate what's already on the market, but make it out of plastic. It's a never-ending spiral of innovation.
EcoBrixs have got this socially conscious model of waste collection in a context where there isn't enough work to go around, where working poverty is high, in a context where the plastic waste is causing immediate direct health problems for people. And they're bringing together these problems and turning it into a model whereby you can give people good wages, give people good incomes and tackle the plastic waste problem while also running what looks like a viable business.
I have a sense of hope, when I look at various small enterprises in the different communities trying to do the best they can to change or to transform that waste into a product that is useful in the community.
closed-loop systems need to be adopted around the world, not just in Africa, but across the planet as a whole. Plastic waste stretches as far as the eye can see, really, in terms of its reach in a global capacity. So we know that this solution is an essential piece in the puzzle to the plastic crisis that is there.